Shalom, shalom. Most High Christ bless. All praise to the Most High God of Israel. See if we make some flies. One thing I know and two things for sure. I'm speaking off experience in life, dealing with people. You know, some positive, some negative. If you don't know about something, you need to research. You need to learn about something before you speak on it. A lot of people just be talking. And one thing I know about talking, people do a lot of it. First thing I do when I wake up, I thank the Most High for allowing me to have the two things that He give me every day. Every rising, He give me two things. He give me a chance and a choice. He give me a chance to be better than I were the day before, and He give me a choice to be positive or negative that day, meaning being productive within that day, or dwell on the past. If I had a negative day the day before, I dwell on the past and continue to have a negative day the next day. But where's the money? Where's the financial gain in that? Everybody know I got a heart condition. Everybody know I get an SSI check, but I don't depend on no SSI check. I'm kidding. I've been getting money since a teenager kid, before a teen. All the people on 11-7 know that. All the people in Third Ward from the bottom know that. But it just amazes me how people think an SSI check is major money. Like that's something to be glorified or something to be like, I get a check, I got money. Ain't no money. If you can count it, you ain't got enough, man. I got accounts people don't even know about. That's why one thing I learned too, and two things for sure, never let your left hand know what your right hand doing. People think they know what's going on, but they don't know. They wish they knew. Once I've been seeing these past couple of years how people flip, turn, and be envious and jealous of you, want to live beyond their means. It's sad. And these black folk, these so-called black people, so-called family members, so-called kin, you know, them be the ones. Man, like I say, see what I'm doing? I'm watching YouTube. The man in the woods, he building a cabin off-grid. Yeah, man, check the setup. Check the setup, man. I don't do what everybody do. I'm not a normal person. I don't do what the normal person does. I'm Kevin Jackson. I'm a trendsetter. I'm smart. I ain't dumb. Never been scary. Just intelligent, just smart. I'm gonna handle things the proper way. Been that way. Been doing it for years. It's funny, man. I was on the phone with Papa Anthony Green earlier. He was telling me about a situation that happened. And I was like, what? You know what? That really explains a lot, because that is the characteristics of a low-life person. You know, it is what it is. But I love my haters. They keep me motivated. They keep me going. I'm making flies. I'm making flies, man. That's what I do. I keep ink, keep paper. I got a lifetime supply of ink. It come in the mail 24/7. Soon I got an app. Soon as the app shows that my ink is low, they send it to me. Bomb. Motherfucker recently called me a bomb ass nigga. Really? I'd rather be that bomb ass nigga. I'd rather sit and chill with bombs than deal with a lowlife, a snake that don't know nothing about money. Come on, man. Let's think about that. First of all, I'm 46 years old. I don't have nothing to prove to nobody. My actions gonna show what I'm doing. You can believe that and take it to the bank. Yeah. I'm just cutting and getting some flies ready for tomorrow. Going out and make something out of nothing. It is what it is. One thing I know about dealing with these companies, I let people think what they want to think. I let people say what they want to say. I've been dealing with these government companies for years. These government phones, all that stuff be insured. Anything dealing with these companies, they got insurance on them. You can bet that. You can take that to the bank with that one. It's all about you, all about I owe this to a company, I owe that. That shit is insured. I ain't paying nothing. For what? I might be the manager. My name might be on some. I might carry some inventory in my name, but I don't have to pay that back to no company that's insured. Slow. Some people ain't finished school. Some people ain't graduate. They slow. And it's just the truth. And if you can't handle the truth, then that's you. You slow. You get a crazy check. You a retard. Show me a couple of $1,000 without it being income tax. Show me that. I can go out and make thousands, knocking on people's doors, doing foreclosures, racks. Do that. Stop living off SSI checks and shit like that. Thinking you balling or you. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's be real. Let's be real. Shit crazy. People need to educate themselves before they start doing dumb shit. For real. I'm not giving no free game away to nobody no more. I don't give a damn who you is. Brother, sister, cousin, uncle. Fuck you. If from my age you don't know no better, you ain't gonna never know. Well, I'm gonna finish doing this here. My little snack. I'm gonna cut these flowers up. I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. All praise to Most High, Christ bless.